study English! Yay!
May or can. Can I speak to David, please? May I speak to David, please? Which one is more polite? Yes, the second one. May I speak to David, please? We can use may instead of can for a more formal and polite English. We use this on the telephone or in customer service situations. For example, how may I assist you? Which kind of means how may I help you? May I ask who's calling on the phone? Who are you? May I have your contact number, please? What is your phone number? May I take a message? May I speak to Mr. Jones, please? Okay, a few expressions using may to make your language a little bit more polite. Okay, keep practicing. Thank you. See you next time. Like, subscribe. Bye.
スーさんと一緒に Let's study English! Yay!